Right here is the best mid-range smartphone with flagship grade specs, so let's start by unboxing. First you'll get a welcome note, and below that you'll get a Type-C to headphone adapter. You'll also get some Poco stickers, paperwork and a decent quality silicone case. Below that we have our phone in deep ocean blue color, but you can get it in 3 different colors. And finally we have a 33-watt fast charging brick and a Type-A to Type-C cable. Talking about the physical overview of this device, at the back we have Gorilla Glass 5 and a big Poco branding, which I'm not a fan of, and below we have a speaker grill with charging port, mic and SIM slot. And at the top we have our speaker, and on the right we have a volume controls button and a power button with a fingerprint sensor which works pretty fast. On the front we have 6.67 inches AMOLED 120Hz display with a 360Hz touch sampling rate and a small 20 megapixel front camera. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 870 chipset, and the performance is really amazing, and you can see here I'm playing PUBG Mobile in high settings and it still performs really smoothly. Content consumption is also really amazing here. With the Dolby Atmos support, you'll get a whole new experience and the sound is loud and clear. Talking about the camera, we have a 48 megapixel primary camera, 5 megapixel micro and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. These are some of the images samples taken from this phone, and the photos are decent, and let me tell you that if you want good quality photos, then you can go with other options. This phone comes with a 4520 mAh battery, and it only takes about 55 minutes to fully charge from 0 to 100%, and it will easily give you an all-day backup. So overall, if you are looking for a camera-centric phone, then this phone can disappoint you. Other than that, this is the best mid-range smartphone that you can get on market. I mean, it has the best chipset for better performance, display is amazing, the sound is clear, everything runs really smooth, and if you want a performance packed device, then you can definitely consider this device. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, then sub to the channel would be amazing. Also, don't forget to share this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.